Hello guys from RC Science, welcome back to a brand new video. In this video we're gonna repair my Traxxas rustler VXL, so let's go. So guys, the thing that broke on the rustler arm is the stub axle, the right rear stub axle. This piece snapped off, so this piece is connected to the toe link. Here we have the replacement part, is the 3752. The stub axle, as you can see, you get two in the set. So now let's get the wheel off and this little pin off so we can get to the drive shaft and the bearings. So let's go. So guys, right here we have the new part, so I'm gonna rip it apart. And see, we have the new stub axle. It's gonna fit inside here perfectly. So first things first, we need to pick a flat screwdriver, as you guys can see, and get the wheel heads off here. So here you have a little pin, and we have a washer. So now we need to take the bearings off. So this, here we have the broken piece. As you guys can see here, this thing just snapped off. So now we can put a new one, the bearing inside here. This, press hard enough. And here. Also just press this. So guys, now the only thing we need to do is put it in here, take the washer, and put it in, through. Just center it a little bit like this. Take the wheel hex. This is just so guys, the wheel hex is on. Now we're gonna attach this drive shaft to the car. So guys, we fixed the car. Everything works on the car here. As you guys can see, everything is smooth. So I hope you enjoyed this repairing video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and then I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.